Hey everybody, it's Eric here with Spartan Auto Works. Today we're going to make a quick video about two products. One video covers kind of the same vehicles. So your Chrysler CDJR, your Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram vehicles, PCMs and body control modules. So the first one are these style body control modules, and the second unit is our ECM, PCM, whatever you want to refer to it as. I've heard them called everything under the sun. This is a GPEC unit. We're going to talk about the challenges in these and what we can do for you. So starting with the computer first, right here. So this GPEC unit is going to be, there's a couple different versions of two-plug Chrysler computers. So there's going to be the old stuff and the new stuff. This is the new style two-plug Chrysler controller. Some of these connectors will be different colors. The problem is on most of these you cannot transfer them from one vehicle to another and relearn the security. So what we can do for you is we can take your original computer, we can transfer the security to a replacement computer of a matching part number. Part number matters. You're going to be the one supplying the computers. We can help you locate compatible computers, but the part numbers must be identical. And we're going to copy that security portion from the old one to the new one. So in theory, it's pretty much plug and play. Now, if you have a tune on your computer, we can help you that as well. The price is going to be a little bit different. It will require use of removing the cover off the computer. We will have to get to the back side of the board in this computer in order to do a 100% one-to-one clone. So if you're taking a stock computer and transferring it, a bad stock computer, transferring it to another vehicle, we'll transfer security to a matching part number PCM, and then it's plug and play. If you have something with a tune, you need to let us know, and then what we can do is we'll disassemble the computer, we'll make the connections we got to make, do a complete read and write into the replacement computer, and the replacement computer will have to have the back cover removed as well, but we'll copy the contents 100% so the tune, everything stays intact, move that over to the new unit, and then when you put it back you still have your tune and everything works like it should. Now the second unit here, let me set this down. So the second unit here is these Continental BCMs. So I think you're going to start seeing these. Now, I haven't done many of these, but you're going to start seeing these, I want to say, like with the darts in like 2013. I want to say, I'm not 100% positive, but if you have one of these, you're going to run into, on some of the later, I think it starts 15, but don't quote me, you're going to have a problem resyncing it with security. So you'll find these in the trucks. This one here, I believe, came from a Challenger, I believe. Let's see, does it say? I thought it said, yeah, 2020 Challenger. So you're going to have problems relearning the security without the factory software and paying for some PIN codes, which can be, some people don't have the equipment to do it, a lot of people don't. Makes it not very DIY to have to go out and spend that, or take it to the dealer where the dealer will probably tell you can't use used and want to sell you new. So we can help you with these as well, but we're doing, again, part number for part number. If you don't have a matching part number, we can help you locate one. You just have to email us or call us, and we'll walk you through the process of locating a compatible donor unit. You'll get your original, take your original unit, take your matching part number donor unit, you'll send it to us, we'll copy all the data out. It's a one-to-one clone, copy it to the replacement, you plug it in, it's like it never happened, it's back up and running. So again, late model BCMs, it's going to be the flat style BCMs, and the old GPEC, or the new style GPEC. Again, the colors of the connectors will be different, varying on what they are. I believe the gray side is always gray for most of them. The other side's what's going to change color. So there's a few different variances of GPEC two plugs, but we'll be able to handle those. Like I said, when you contact us, let us know if it's something that has a tune. The cover is going to come off both the new and the used one on the back side. We got to get to the board in order to make this a one-to-one clone. Now, if it's just a stock replacement, there's no tune on it, you need to have matching part number, which, like I said, we can help you locate a matching part number. You'll send over the matching part number with your original. We'll copy the security email information off of the original, write it to the replacement. We send them both back to you, and it's plug and play. We'll have more information on this on our website. Look at the link below in the description, or you can always give us a call at 636-795-6960. Or email us, spartanautoworks@gmail.com. Again, the phone number is 636-795-6960. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call. Thanks.